Do you want to stop hearing the loud, annoying sound of TikTok videos every time you open the app? In this short tutorial, I will show you how to quickly and easily mute TikTok when opening the app so that your phone stays quiet. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, scroll down a bit and tap where it says Playback. And now you'll see an option called Open TikTok on Mute. Videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok. Tap to unmute videos, or use your device's volume controls. So go ahead and enable it. And now when you open TikTok, there won't be any sound coming from videos, and you can watch them silently. If you want to unmute TikTok videos, tap on this unmute button at the bottom right or use the volume controls on your device to increase the volume. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.